Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today guys, we're gonna replace the airbags, the knee airbag, the driver knee airbag on Chevy Cruze. I already have the video of me replacing this one. I'm waiting for the part for that to come in, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on this one. Just some light under here. This is gonna be holding on to this with two 10mm, one on this side. I don't worry about the clip because the clip looked to be damaged already, so it looked like it's broken, so I'm gonna try to unplug the clip first before I drop it. Let's get something like a flathead screwdriver to go in here and unplug that. So we got the flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna go between here just to get that out. As you can see, this one is already damaged already. This one is damaged, so I'm not gonna use this plug. I'm gonna use another one. So let's go ahead and get our 10mm. And this right here. And the same thing for the other side over here. Over here should be another 10mm. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that as well. And once you take out that 10mm, this is gonna come down. So this is what it looked like. So this is gonna come down and out the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and take apart this clip and repair it with another clip that I have. So I just need to change the black piece. So guys, as you can see right here, I replaced my plugs. I have the new one right here, so it's just to install it. And once we install it, and that's good. So you don't have to worry about putting it the wrong way. If you put it this way, there's no way you can plug it in right there. So once you can plug it in, that means you set it correctly. Go ahead and connect this right here. Go ahead and connect this one also. And we're just gonna tighten up this right here. So once you tighten that up, we're just gonna go ahead and plug it back in. And once we plug it in, we snap it shut. And that's it for that one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. That's how you install your knee airbag. And the light's gonna come on same way because as you can see, this is still there.